Hi everyone. I'm going to take you through conditional formatting. So after you've imported your CSV file to the Power Query editor here, so let's look at what we are going to do. So the way you're going to transform this is that you want to be able to remove all this USA division. You can see we don't need it to be attached to this store location here. Then we need to remove this SQFT, you know, usually we want to deal with the size. We don't want these abbreviations attached to it. Then this store type, there are various forms of store type that are there. Let's see and filter. You can see we have store type called digital local OPS, that is operation. So we want it all of them to be filled down. So how are we going to do that? Let's go ahead. Let's first fill this one down first. And remember in our last class we talked about how to fill down. Power Query does not see this as an empty cell. It's seeing that a value there, a blank value. So for Power Query to see it as an empty cell, you need to put none, N-U-double-L there. So if assuming is appearing as none, that's when Power Query is not seeing it there. So let's put none. Let's fill it with none. No, replace value. We want to replace this blank value that Power Query is seeing as blank. We want to replace it as none. So replace values. So the value is blank, then replace it with what? None. N-U-double-L. Press OK. Yeah, so all where there is blank, it will be replacing it with none. As you can see. Yeah. Then we can now fill down. Yeah. So it's going to fill with all. So where core stopped here, digital, don't fill it down. Then before we start the conditional formatting, which we are to apply in this removing USA division. Okay, we'll still apply conditional formatting, but let's go ahead. We'll remove the USA division. So in removing this SQFT, we are going to use split column. So where's our split column? It's under the transform. The split column is here. So by delimiter, should we use by delimiter or we should use by number of character or we should use by digit to non-digit? We have to use digit to non-digit. We can't use by delimiter. There's no delimiter by separating these two. Number of characters, we can't actually use that because SQFT is also a character but it's not good enough. Let's see whether we can use this one. Click on it first. So number of characters, right? Okay. Those ones are with numbers. Okay, here it is 2, 4, then 6. Is it same to be this one? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, okay, 6. Okay, yeah. Then you can say separate 6 characters. Split by once as far left as possible. Yeah. So we want as far left to your left as possible, right? Yeah, let's do that. Okay. As you can see, you said 6, right? But this one is not 6. Look at this. The first one is 5 figures that are there before the non-digits. So the non-digit, in fact, it's just even only the up to 4 row that it happened like that too. Okay, then also this one. So for and you cannot say, so you can't do 5 characters because some are 5 figures, some are 6 figures. So that one is not possible. So let's cancel it. Let's continue to test by position. Is it in the first position, second position, what position? You can't use that also. Lowercase, no. So the best thing is to use digit to non-digit because anyone that is digit, separate it from one that is not a digit. That's what you want to direct it to do. So click on digit to non-digit. As you can see, immediately it separate digit from non-digit. So we are fine. So we don't need this again. Then we remove it. Then go to home tab, then remove column. We are fine. Now in separating this US division, so this of course this one is possible by delimiter because there is a delimiter of semicolon and there's a space after that semicolon. Those are the delimiter that exist there and it's common to all of them, right? Yes. So let's do that. Split column, the arrow there by delimiter. Of it has even captured it immediately as semicolon, but remember that we have space too. So we are going to click on custom. So it's semicolon, then space. That's delimiter. Yes, each occurrence of delimiter. Yes, do that. Then click on OK, as you can see. So let's see whether it's okay. No.